Yeah, so we outside working and you don't know already. So, you know, Makila, she funny with food, taste, and texture and everything else. So we decided that, you know, the argument come about porridge, so we decided we'll do some porridge. So we send for the maestro, the man are wicked. Them don't want it on camera still, but we're talking about porridge with coconut milk, vanilla, um, nutmeg, and all them thing there. Cornmeal strained and all them thing there. So, porridge done make. Take a little amount and she'll run a test now so I go on. Oh man, taste again man. Cause one was alright, big mouthful.
Come now.
Alright, still good? We're still good?
There we go.